Hi, and welcome to hear and see a technical overview of LivionKey20. LivionKey20 is a state-of-the-art key automat designed together with Livion and iLock to efficiently and securely program iLock S5 keys. In traditional key management, keys are manually programmed with specific access rights before being distributed. LivionKey20 streamlines this process by programming the necessary access rights only when the end user retrieves the key using a personalized PIN code, enabling 24/7 service for key management. The keys do not have any access rights until the customer fetches them. This approach enhances security. Even if someone were to steal keys from the key automat, those keys would be completely useless without the proper access rights being assigned. Additionally, the key automat captures a photo of each customer during key retrieval and return, ensuring all operations can be traced back to real individuals. LivionKey20 is compact, roughly the size of an A4 paper stack, and weighs only 5 kilograms. It's designed for easy installation, wall-mounted using the provided bracket and screws. For more detailed specifications, please visit our website at livion.fi. All daily key management tasks are seamlessly managed through the Livion Key Web UI, accessible on both computers and mobile devices. This user-friendly interface simplifies key handover and retrieval while providing easy access to logs from anywhere. When a customer is granted access to a key, this is managed through a key contract in LivionKey. These contracts are associated with a specific person and define the access rights that will be programmed onto the key. They can be scheduled to start immediately or at a future date and can be set for a specific duration. LivionKey automatically selects an available key and programs it with the necessary access rights when the designated person retrieves it. When a contract is created, the customer receives an email or SMS with details on where to pick up the key and the assigned PIN code. The customer can retrieve the key from the key automat by entering the PIN code. Customers can return the key to the key automat by entering the PIN code again or by simply presenting the key to the NFC reader below the key automat keypad. If you are familiar with using iLock Manager, where operations are key-centric, you'll notice a significant shift in how keys are managed with LivionKey20. The focus here is on access rights rather than individual keys. When you create a key contract, you simply select the access rights and the location for key pickup. LivionKey will automatically assign and program an available key for the customer. In traditional iLock systems, keys are often named after specific locations such as apartment numbers. However, with LivionKey20, key naming in iLock Manager is no longer static as the same keys are fetched and returned repeatedly for different purposes. How does it work from a technical perspective? LivionKey communicates with iLock through the iLock public API. After you've added your API credentials, LivionKey verifies that it has the necessary usage rights, allowing you to proceed. The iLock locking system must have API access enabled, and all access rights intended for programming must be of the API access right type. Additionally, all S5 keys must be pre-programmed to belong to the same locking system. When LivionKey20 is installed inside a building with an iLock online reader at the front door, contract PIN codes can be synced with the online readers, enabling end customers to access the building. Handing over and receiving S5 keys no longer requires using iLock Manager. Full automation can be achieved by integrating your property management system with our API. For instance, a new rental agreement can automatically generate a key contract with a PIN code, eliminating the need for any manual involvement in the key handover process. LivionKey20 redefines key management by offering greater flexibility, enhanced security, and unmatched convenience. Explore our training videos to get started.